Wow.
That's probably me. Call Ricky Elliott and ask him to go too.
Oh my God, he's hilarious. That is like major, major bad. Holy crap.
It's over by the time I'm there.
I mean, what has to happen to a car for it to catch on fire like that? Because I want to know so it doesn't happen to us.
I've seen it on fire on the interstate, but nothing is close.
Yeah, definitely not. Holy crap.
They get that poor guy, they got to put on their SCBAs. That's what you got to wear when you go around that sour gas. It's real bad, like get those SCBAs with all that pack, you know, that tank on your back.
Yeah.
You got to wear that like.
Oh my God. I'm really hoping there was something wrong with the truck and somebody was stupid and spilled gasoline in the bed and set it on fire. I mean, because it feels hot over here from that. Wow. Oh, yeah. A truck catching on fire? That's got to be the worst smell I can think of. So it's going to be worse than rubber and everything else that smells bad when it flames up. I guess those are the Ewing guys.